Hey students, welcome back to Supersonic Learning, your Java learning hub made especially for ICSE Class 9th and 10th. In today's video, we are going to learn a simple but interesting program how to check if a number is a super spy number in Java. Understand the super spy number with the help of example. We take the example 1021. The sum of the digits will be equal to 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4. And if we talk about the number of the digits in this number 1021, that is also equal to the 4. Both the sum of the digits and number of digits, that is equal to 4 and equal, and this is a super spy number. And if we talk about the second example, that is 1 to 5, and the sum of the digits will be 1 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 8. And if we talk about the number of the digits, that is equal to 3. 8 not equal to 3, and this is not super spy number because number of digits and the sum of the digits are not equal. Let's execute the Superspy number in Visual Studio Code. Firstly, we made the class name, that is Superspy number. Import java.util. It is very vital step as it contains the scanner class. And you all know that scanner class take the input from the user. In this case, num is taken. Int n equal to num, d equal to 0, count equal to 0, sum equal to 0. It counts the number of digits, stores the sum of digits. In this, digit splitting process is performed. Sum of the digits is stored in sum, and the count of the variable, that is number of the digits, is stored to the count. In this check, we will check sum is equal to count. If sum is equal to count, then we print the number. Our given number is super spy number, else we print the it is not super spy number.